Okay, we finally moved this one after 2-3 months. I'm waiting for a mover. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And it's on private land. We'll be renting this one out too. The walls are in decent shape. The only thing is that I'm gonna have to come in here and get the cigarette smoke out. Once you get the walls painted with kills, it'll get rid of that. I can't walk over there because I have all of this metal siding which we're gonna reuse. It comes with a washer and dryer. Hopefully they'll work. That's the back door. That's 1 bedroom and a full bath right there. It's a good sized little kitchen. Comes with a refrigerator and a stove. We'll see how well those work once we get the electricity on. How they had a cat carpet, of course, they ripped up. Down the hallway here, might get kind of dark. Here's the middle bedroom. Always the middle bedroom is always small. There's a walk-in closet. Get a little bit of light in here. Hallway. Won't be able to see in that bathroom, it's too dark. And here's the other bedroom. The floor can be cleaned, we'll just leave it. It's linoleum. Garage. Closet is over there. The bathroom's a pretty good size. Should have brought my flashlight. The room's a decent size. We'll just have to come over here and have a good fix for those counters right there. Put a nice backsplash up. It's a decent little home. There's only actually carpet in the living room. So you don't have to worry about carpet in the living room. Oh, there's carpet over there. Might just put a lower flooring in the living room. The linoleum here in the kitchen is halfway decent. You didn't lock the back door, so I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna jump over all of this metal siding here. I'll pick some up, move things out of the way, and come back to this. Here's the land where the new house is on. I put a nice little sign, what's out here in the country, private property, no trespassing. That's the old address. Walk around here, the bottom's gonna need the skirting. Here's the tongue. That right there. It's a serial number. It's a Vogue by Fleetwood. It's actually in pretty decent condition. Has red trim. Back over here, have to call SCE&G out so they can cite where the power pole is going to go. And usually it's by the back door where the panel is. So it's going to be interesting to see where they're going to put this. That's the living room right there. That's one of the bedrooms. back door. Just needs some power washing back here. It's been leveled. The underbelly looks halfway decent. You see a little bit of it right there, but underneath there's a sewer. I don't know if you can see that sticking out right there. And I gotta get moving because there's a bunch of mosquitoes out here and they are lining on my hands to bite me. They love me because I'm wearing long sleeves and long pants. So a bunch of them are starting to land on my hand here, which I'm holding the camera with. And there's our other house. I'm gonna go say hi to Dustin, see how he's doing. And when he's done, we're gonna walk through this. He's gonna set this up for us. So we have the spigot right here. Water from the well. And right there, sorry, I had a mosquito wanting to bite me. It's exactly where the septic tank is. So look at how close the tracks are when I move this in. There's some sewage pipe. See if Dustin can reuse that. And there's the power pole line. So we'll see if SC&G or Dan, who will set the electric and power pole and everything up, can reuse that pole. This is the septic right here, coming out of the ground. We might have to relocate this so it goes directly underneath the house, straight to the sewer. Dig a drench and bury it so it's not sticking out like that. So here's the house.